Hello students, welcome to the session Final Account with Adjustments. In the previous video, we have already discussed final accounts. So in case of simple final accounts, we prepare trading accounts. On the debit side of trading account, we put all direct expenses. On the credit side of trading account, we put all direct income. If our direct income exceeds the direct expenses, then there is gross profit. On the trading account debit side, we will put to gross profit carried down to profit and loss account. That gross profit will be taken onto the credit side of profit and loss account. On the debit side of profit and loss account, again we charge all indirect expenses on the credit side or indirect income. If the indirect income side, that is credit side of profit loss, exceeds the debit side of profit loss, then there is net profit of the business. And in the debit side of profit and loss account, write to net profit transfer to capital account. That net profit will be added to the capital on the liability side of balance sheet. This is all about the simple final account. So we know whatever transactions write on, take it inside the trial balance, we will find its place in only one side. That means it will affect only one side of accounts. So after preparation of trial balance, there are certain expenses or income which are not adjusted. That is known as adjustment entries. So in medium business concern or big business concern, and in case of company, we have to follow the accrual system of accounting. So what is the accrual system of accounting? It is the method of accounting that records revenue and expenses when they are earned or incurred. That means revenue when it is earned or expenses when it is incurred will be taken into account in our preparation of final accounts, irrespective of whether they have received in cash or paid in cash. So it is entered in the books of accounts. For the accounting period, they relates. That means all expenses relating to a particular accounting period will find its place in accounting, and all income also related to that accounting period will find its place in accounting. So what is the purpose? Main purpose is to get a fair and accurate picture of the business. So whatever the net profit or net loss reflected out of that business, it is the actual net profit, and the financial position also reflects truly. So the main purpose are matching of revenue and expenses relating to that accounting period. Secondly, timely and accurate financial reporting will be done. Then it improved decision making by the management. If our recording is accurate, perfect, the management will take also the correct decision. Then it is also compulsory according to certain act, that is GAAP, Generally Accepted Accounting Principle. Then IFRS means International Financial Reporting Standard. We have to follow, or every business has to follow the actual basis of accounting. Then financial statement analysis. It helps us, the investors, and analysis to evaluate any company's financial health, performance, and prospects. So adjustment means some transactions after preparing the trial balance will be detected, so it is to be adjusted in that account, whether it will be adjusted in the trading, profit loss, or balance sheet. So whatever adjustment, whatever transaction given in the adjustment, it is having double side effects. Examples are, suppose closing stock. After preparation of trading account, suppose we will get closing stock worth of 50,000. So on the trading account credit side, we will take buy closing stock 50,000. When I take closing stock 50,000, definitely our gross profit will increase by 50,000. That gross profit will be taken to the credit side of profit and loss account. As a result, net profit will increase by 50,000. Net profit will be added to the capital. As a result, your capital or liability side will increase by 50,000. That 50,000 we will put on the asset side as closing stock. As a result, our balance sheet tallies. Second is accrued income. That means some income here but not yet received by our business. So as per accrual system, if the income actually earned, it should be found place in accounting. For example, we have invested in the financial concern or in the markets. So we will get interest out of that investment. So instead of receiving the interest on investment for 12 months, suppose we receive investment for 11 months. So 1 month interest is accrued. That means that income belongs to that business. On the credit side of profit and loss account, we will add with the interest on investment. As a result, our net profit will increase, so capital will be increased. So in the balance sheet asset side, we write accrued interest. So balance sheet will tally. Similarly, accrued expenses means outstanding expenses. Some expenses already incurred, but we have not paid in terms of cash. For example, salary to the employee. Suppose employees work for 12 months. So every month, suppose we are paying 1 lakh. In 12 months, we should pay 12 lakh. Instead of paying 12 lakh, suppose we have paid 11 months salary, that is 11 lakh. So 1 month's salary we have to adjust. Means on the profit loss debit side, to the salary we will add in salaries outstanding 1 lakh. As a result, our net profit will be decreased by 1 lakh. When net profit decrease means capital will decrease by 1 lakh. On liability side 1 lakh decrease. On the liability side we will put outstanding expenses 1 lakh. So that and our balance sheet will remain constant. Our asset side remain constant. So balance sheet will tally. Then on net income. On net income means income related to next accounting year but received by us in this current year. For example, suppose we have given our premises, part of our premises, business premises on rental basis. Suppose we have received 2 months advance. Suppose per month 20,000, 2 months advance means 40,000 you received in advance. That 40,000 will be deducted from profit loss credit side by rent received less rent received in advance or unearned rent. When we will deduct, our income net profit will be reduced. When net profit will be reduced, our capital will be also be reduced. That means liability side will be reduced. When liability side is reduced, the same 2 months rent will put on the liability side and rent received in advance. So our and asset side will be constant, our balance sheet will tally. Then prepaid expenses. Expenses paid in advance in the current year. It belongs to next year. For example, we have taken our premises on rental basis. We are paying rent to the landlord. Suppose 2 months rent we are paid in advance. But 2 months rent we are paid in advance means we have paid 14 months rent during our 12 months accounting period. So 2 months rent we have to adjust. That means on the profit loss debit side to rent paid, lent less rent repaid. So 2 months rent will deduct. As a result, our net profit will be increased to that extent. The net profit will increase for 2 months rent, our capital will increase. As a result, our liability side will increase. So the same 2 months rent will put on the asset side as rent repaid. So our balance sheet will tally. And depreciation. Already I told you, depreciation means decrease in the value of asset due to wear and tear, means use Then effluxion of time means passage of time, and obsolescence means outdated. So depreciation means we will decrease the value of the asset. Suppose we purchase a furniture at the beginning of April by paying 1 lakh. So 10% interest we have to charge throughout the year. So 10,000 depreciation we have to charge on the debit side of profit and loss account. We know depreciation is a loss, so it should be shown on the debit side of profit and loss account. To depreciation furniture 1 lakh. As a result, our net profit will decrease by 1 lakh. When our net profit will increase by 1 lakh, our capital will increase by 1 lakh. As a result, our liability side will also be increased by 1 lakh. Simultaneously, on the asset side, we will show furniture 10 lakh, less depreciation on furniture 1 lakh, 9 lakh will be shown. Here also, asset will be reduced by 1 lakh. As a result, our balance sheet will tally. Thank you all for watching this video. In the next video, I will discuss all the adjustment entry with example in detail.